All right, guys, check out what is going on out here right now. It is the first week of November, and it is pouring down snow. Seriously, cannot believe it. We here in the Pacific Northwest, the area that we are at least, typically don't get snow until like January. Rarely do we have any significant snow in like December. Like, this is absolutely crazy for us. The kids decided that they had to have hot chocolate, and my husband decided we needed to start a fire in the fireplace. So they're all snuggling up with their hot chocolate around the fire with the snow out the window, which all of a sudden, it feels like it was summer just a couple weeks ago. And then we had like a week of fall, and all of a sudden now it is winter. But now on to the excitement of this video. I do have an announcement for you guys that I am very excited about. So I will be attending KetoCon in April next year. It's going to be in Austin, Texas. And April in Austin, Texas sounds a whole lot better than what's going on here as far as weather. So I am super excited to be attending like my very first keto event, keto conference, like any in-person event. As it relates to keto, this will be the first one. So if you have never heard of KetoCon, it is currently the largest low-carb conference in the US. People from all over the country and really all over the world come. People with keto products, keto speakers, doctors, educators, services that have to do with keto, all that. And so there's like all kinds of vendors and like booths set up for all these different companies and people. And then there's also speakers, really smart people in the keto space come and bring, their new stuff that they've been working on. So there's all kinds of speakers to listen to and breakout sessions with all kinds of different people and programs and companies related to keto. So it's just going to be super fun, like coming together. I am super excited about meeting all kinds of people that I have known online for years and years and years, but never have met in person. As it stands right now, it sounds like at least 3 of the Fab 4 will be in attendance at KetoCon. So I am super excited. I've never met these ladies in person. Like, we are great friends. We talk all the time, but I've never met them in person. So I am super excited to meet at least 2 of them in person, and we're still hoping and praying that the third one can come as well. So the full Fab 4 will be there. So please let me know down in the comments if you are planning to come. And if you are thinking about coming, I will let you know that right now is the cheapest price the tickets will be. There's the early bird special going on right now where you can get the full 3-day conference pass for just $100. And from here on out, basically every month the price goes up. And so right now is the cheapest it's going to get. So if you do want to go, definitely hop on the tickets now, and you will save some money. I do have a link down below that's a special link for me. And what the KetoCon people said is that if that link gets used enough, they will set up a meet and greet so that all of you guys who come and would like to meet me and possibly the other members of the Fab 4, we could have our own like set up meet and greet. Of course, I'll still be able to meet everybody even if that doesn't happen. But if enough of you guys use the link and buy your tickets through that, then we might get our own like special setup meet and greet. That's my big announcement. Let's chat down in the comments about if you are coming. I would love to hear. I am just super excited to be able to go and meet all the fun keto community that I've known and felt like have been family for years, but never have met in person. I'm also super excited about getting to meet the people behind the different companies that I work with. I work with a lot of amazing companies promoting products and doing reviews and different things like that. And I love these companies deeply, and to meet the people behind the companies is going to be super exciting. So I am really looking forward to it. I hope you guys can come as well. Austin, April 21st through the 23rd. Be there. It would be amazing to meet as many of you as possible. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Currently, it's 37 degrees out here, and it's still sticking. Like, it's coming down so heavily that it's actually sticking. I bet all the chickens are hunkered down. They don't want to deal with this mess. Are you working on some eggs for us? Nothing over there. You guys must be sitting on them all. Oh, there's one. You guys stay warm, okay?